Hello mga ka-RAMPAge! We are on the way to Camarines Sur, and since it's already lunchtime, we decided to stop by at the most recommended restaurant here in Pagbilao, Quezon. Samahan niyo po ako, and together we will explore the Silangang Nayon Park and Restaurant. Pero bago po yon, shout out po muna sa mga subscribers natin sa Sibuyan, Romblon, especially kay Joseph Ardel Rase. At sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga video na ina-upload ko. And don't forget na rin po to like and share the video. And feel free to write down your comments. So tara, let's rampage! Silangang Nayon, located in Bantige, Pagbilao, Quezon, is a favorite getaway place of tourists and locals alike. Over the years, people come to enjoy their favorite seafoods, escape the city, bask in the sun, and enjoy the bay view with their families and friends. You will also get to enjoy fresh countryside air and the sea breeze gliding across gentle rolling waves and a panoramic sea and landscape view of the beautiful Pagbilao Islands. Silangang Nayon Park and Restaurant features an outdoor swimming pool and a garden. Among the facilities of this property are a restaurant, a 24-hour front desk and room service, along with free Wi-Fi. The park restaurant is known for their Dine by the Bay cottages and fresh seafoods. The entire restaurant complex is divided into two areas. The main attraction is the floating restaurant, and the second are the cottages situated in the mainland. Customers can choose to dine in any of these two places. The floating restaurant is situated about 100 meters from the shoreline and is connected by the single concrete bridge on one side and 3 pavilions on the other side. Don't be mistaken by the empty chairs and tables and assume that Silangang Nayon has no customer. The place has a list of reservations in line for the entire week. Although walk-ins are accepted, to eliminate inconveniences on your part, it is recommended to make reservation prior to your visit to make sure that the management made all necessary preparations and be ready to serve the moment you arrived. The main pavilion is the largest among the 3 and is designed to resemble a ship because of a bow constructed on the side facing the sea. The restaurant offers a wide variety of dishes cooked in Filipino-Chinese fusion. The dining experience in the floating restaurant offers a unique treat to its customers because you get to dine in the open sea with the cool breeze of the fresh countryside air blends with the trade winds of the sea, complemented with a panoramic sea view and gentle low curvature of hills on the islands across the Pagbilao Bay. They also have huts where groups can have their meals that are built a few meters away from each other, giving privacy to diners. These huts are more accessible and save your energy if you don't want to walk further. But the centerpiece attraction of Silangang Nayon is the dumb waiter zip line. It transports foods and utensils from the main kitchen in the mainland to the floating restaurant's dining area without manually carrying the trays that is full of foods and other stuffs. The makeshift helicopter, jokingly called as the flying waiter, is suspended in a cable, thus giving an illusion that it is flying from the top of the cliff to the floating restaurant. Silangang Nayon is not simply a restaurant, but it also offers room and lodging accommodations. They have a comfortable and clean hotel rooms with accommodating staffs. Guest rooms in the hotel are equipped with a flat-screen TV with cable channels. Each room is equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. There are many room choices available that is best suited for your budget. The pool is dolphin-shaped and made with natural stones that keeps the temperature of the water perfect even for a night swim. You can enjoy swimming from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Walk-ins are also accepted. Walking around the property, you can find the children's playground. There used to be a mini zoo, but only few animals were left. With its growing popularity, Silangang Nayon has opened their doors for events, weddings, and other occasions to celebrate milestones in one's life. If you are a fan of nature and food, you'll surely enjoy Silangang Nayon Park and Restaurant. The visit to this out-of-the-way place is one for the books that is worth remembering.